Want to cancel Coursera Plus before it renews and charges you again? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to cancel Coursera Plus in under a minute and what happens after you cancel. Also, if you're on a discounted Coursera Plus plan right now, make sure you cancel the right way so you don't lose access early. I'll keep it simple. First, log into Coursera on your phone or computer. Then click your profile icon, go to Settings, and look for the Subscriptions or Billing section. Inside the billing area, you'll see Coursera Plus listed as an active subscription if you're currently subscribed. Click on it and you should see a Manage option. Now choose Cancel Subscription, and Coursera will usually ask you to confirm the reason. Confirm the cancellation, and make sure you get a message saying it's been canceled. After you cancel, Coursera Plus usually stays active until the end of your billing period. That means you can keep learning and finishing courses until your plan expires, but you won't be charged again. One important thing: if you're in the middle of a course, try to finish graded assignments and download your certificate before your access ends. Because once Coursera Plus expires, you may lose access to some content. If you were charged recently and you didn't mean to renew, check whether your plan has a refund window. Coursera sometimes offers a money-back guarantee depending on the promotion and region. So that's how to cancel Coursera Plus subscriptions step by step. And if you ever want to rejoin later, you can use my link in the description to check the latest Coursera Plus deal in your country. Thanks for watching.